This faceless channel started 30 days ago and they already made over $47,000, and this YouTube automation channel already made $7,000. And today we're gonna be talking about this AI channel that is posting faceless videos and making over $1,000 per day. So in this free tutorial, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can start your very own faceless YouTube automation channel using this method. And this is coming from someone who's been doing YouTube automation for almost 10 years. Not only have I done it for myself, but I also helped thousands of beginners do the same. And so in this free step-by-step tutorial, we will do literally everything from researching niche ideas using AI, creating a new channel, designing the logos, and obviously creating our first video together. By the end of this video, you will have your very own YouTube automation channel set up for free. So there are 7 steps to achieving this, and at the end of this video, I will share a simple secret that allowed me to grow this channel to over $700,000 in ad revenue. Step number 1 is to open up this AI tool called Pollo.ai. This AI tool allows you to turn text into video animations that you are allowed to use on YouTube and monetize. Now, the niche that we'll be focusing on are going to be these religious stories and also history-related animated stories, because they tend to get a lot of views, especially because they were never animated in Pixar style before, so people like to see these stories being fully animated. And here's another example channel over here as well. In the meantime, you also want to sign up to tad.ai, and I'm gonna leave links to these tools in the description box down below. Just open it up and create an account, and we will come back to this AI tool as well. For the next step, you want to go over to ChatGPT and say, my YouTube channel is about animated history stories or religious stories, and we're just asking for name ideas. Now, I really like Histotale because the entire channel is going to be about tales. So we want to go over to Gmail, create an account, and create a YouTube channel, enter a handle, which can be the name, and then just add media and click create channel. Now, to create a logo and channel art, you can just go over to canva.com, which is this free AI tool, and you can select some of the templates that are available over there, and you can just change the text, then click share, click download, and download as PNG file, and this can be your logo, your profile picture. But even more importantly, once you do that, you will also need some channel art or banner image for your YouTube channel, so just click resize and select 1920 by 1080p and just click copy and resize. Now, as you do that, you also want to make changes. Click share, click download as a PNG file, and as you do that, go back to your YouTube channel and click on customize. Now, to create scripts just like this channel over here, you are going to join our free school community that is linked in the description. Click on tools and open up this post. Click on YouTube automation starter blueprint. It has pretty much everything you need for your faceless YouTube channel. It's also a checklist. Now, once you scroll down and you go to step number 8, you're gonna find this ChatGPT prompt that you can copy and paste to get those scripts created for you in the right manner, in a manner that's engaging and that's keeping people watching so that you can get views and obviously make money online from your YouTube channel. And later down this tutorial, we're actually going to talk about how to make money from this faceless channel, so just stick with me. Now, we're going to change the last 4 parts, which first of all, we're going to enter our niche, video format, style of writing is going to be funny and informative, and I'm going to describe what my video is going to be about, and I can find some video ideas from different channels. I'm going to paste the name of my video there, and once I do that, ChatGPT basically writes the entire script. Now, before I start generating videos with Pollo AI and then I generate music with tad.ai, what I need to do as well is I first of all need to generate voiceover. So I'm going to go to 11 Labs, which is this AI tool. I'm going to click on go to the app, and then I'm going to take this script where ChatGPT is currently generating as we speak, then copy your script. I'm going to take this part just as an example, paste it into 11 Labs, and you can select a voiceover on the right hand side. I'm just going to go with this basic one, and we're going to listen to how it's going to read this script. So let's see if it sounds like a human.
Imagine losing everything you love in a single day, your family, your wealth, and your health, and then being told, hey, maybe it's your fault.
Right, interesting. So I'm going to download this voiceover to my computer, and we're going to go through the exciting part, which is creating the animations. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see and try and create pretty much the exact same style animation like these guys have over here. So I'm going to go back to Pollo.ai. Again, if you don't have an account, just click on try Pollo AI. You can either animate from images or you can select text to video. For instance, I'm going to say religious man sad in a medieval village, colorful and 3D animation. I'm going to select standard mode. Aspect ratio is going to be 16:9, which is also default. And you can also adjust other controls and mechanisms, but I'm just going to create this to keep it as simple as possible. And this is going to be the first scene. We have to generate a scene for the entire video. Now, besides text to video, they also have these video effects that you can access over here. For example, AI squish, AI inflate, explode, melt, handshake, etc. So let's say, for example, I'm going to select the AI explode effect. When I click on this, I can also see some templates and some examples of these effects in action. All you have to do is pretty much just upload your own image. So let's say, for example, I'm going to use this template and I'm just going to upload one of the photos from my Instagram account. So I'm just going to go over here, find one, for example, this, and then I'm going to go back here, just upload that photo and click OK. Now I can just click create and they will automatically add that effect. They also have some other features like image to video, video to video, and AI animation. So again, all I gotta do is upload my photo over here, click OK, and I can just click create and it will turn my static photo in a video animation. All of these features and effects are available on the left hand side. And here's a simple example of that in action. Now I can just download this clip without a watermark here. In the meantime, as that's being generated with Pollo.ai, I'm going to go over to Tad.ai because we need some copyright-free background music, and the best way to do this is to just use AI to create unique music that no one else has. So you can just click on generate AI songs for free. You can also use AI to create a song, so you can just describe what the song should be about and just click OK. Now you're gonna get lyrics created for you, so you can just click create. And now I got two different tracks created for me, so let's listen to a bit of this song.
Brave heart rose from the gloom. Dave Nick with his sword so bright, set to face the endless.
Yeah, this is a very interesting song. So I can basically click on these three dots over here and I can download this song to my computer. Apparently that's me as well. And now when we go back to Pollo AI, we also have this animation created as well. So I can click on these three dots over here and I can download this to my computer, and I'm gonna download it without a watermark. Now to edit this video, I'm going to go over to this tool called CapCut, which is completely free and it's online and it's very, very simple to use. You just have to click here to upload all the media. Then also upload your voiceover from 11 Labs. And then if you wish, you can also add captions on the left hand side. You can just select captions over here, click auto captions, and they're going to be generated for you and you can customize them. But I would just keep it very simple because looking at a previous channel example, they didn't do that. So I'm just going to keep this as animation and I'm going to continue adding more and more. The way I do that is by going back to my script and looking into what's actually happening next. So we talk about someone losing almost everything in a day, and then hey, maybe it's your fault. So now I would need a different style animation. I'm gonna go back to Pollo.ai and then I'm going to say medieval man in a village pointing finger and blaming another man. Then I'm gonna scroll down and click create so that it generates another video for me. You can find all your creations on the left hand side. Just go to my creations folder and you're gonna find pretty much everything that you've created so far. And this, for example, came from a very simple prompt, and this video can be again downloaded with pretty much one press of a button, and then I can open up any video editing tool that I use. I personally do use CapCut because it's relatively simple, and I will continue adding different scenes to the timeline. To make video thumbnail, I personally use pixels.com. Basically create an account for completely free. When you register an account, just select recreate, go back to the channel that you're trying to recreate, right click on their thumbnail and then copy the link, paste that link in here, select inspiration weight to be medium and click generate. Now you can also make some changes to that thumbnail. You can just describe exactly what you would like to be different. And now here we have a thumbnail created with just one press of a button. So I can just download this to my computer and I can go back to my YouTube channel to upload that video from CapCut and also add the thumbnail. Getting all of these resources for faceless YouTube automation videos has never been easier. So I'm going to link Pollo AI and Tad AI in the description box down below. And if you got some value out of this tutorial, drop a like and I will see you next time.